Tayo ni kuranan dulu bang ada layo na kayo. Lah, na jud picture.
We do not like to get short of our copies. Okay, honesty is the best policy. We still have the second batch.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are set to start at 9 a.m. or once we are given a go signal from our esteemed guests. For the remaining 30 minutes, we encourage you to visit the restroom if there's a need to do so, because we highly discourage standing up and loitering once we officially start the ceremony. Again, our restroom is conveniently located on this side. If you need to visit the CR, please do so as early as now. For once we start the ceremony, we discourage you to do so. Salamat. And reiterating what our main organizer emphasized earlier, we would want our oath takers to occupy.
I have 30 minutes to sleep. Guys, I'm so sleepy. 30 minutes nap.
You may want to take turns visiting the restroom. Kay dili po siya in anak kadaghan ng cubicles. Again, you may want to take turns going to the restroom. Kay dili man po mo ma-accommodate magdungan tanan. Thank you. We still have 30 minutes to cover that. And we would like to give an advance notice. We also have an afternoon schedule. We humbly ask for your help in ensuring that the seats won't be rearranged so much in order for us to easily prepare for the second session. Again, our second session is set to start at 1 p.m. and we highly...
Matulog sa ko, guys. I'm so sleepy, good. 30 minutes.
In teaching, you cannot give what you do not have.
Yes, you cannot teach it either.
But other professions, they have it also. Like medicine, engineering. Meron din sila nun.
So much of
PhD.
And guys, finally, professional na gito.
Yes, we go.
We are not colorum now, finally. Thanks God.
Really professionals.
And thank you sa lahat ng nasa, tumulong sa
What
akin.
you're going to do today is for you to
Tears of joy. Sir.
Like,
So, tata?
get first
Excited.
take a look at the badge. Okay. Tingnan nyo yung badge na yan. When you wear that, you are that person in that badge.
oh my God, Lord.
What is the shape of the pin? Hindi naman kayo circle. Alright. What does it mean? The one wearing it has a well-rounded personality. Okay. May ulo. 4 na H yun eh. Head. Because you are good. In fact, you have a heart to love and life. Hindi pag-asawa. Alright, love and life.
Tears of joy.
You have the hand to reach out
Of course.
to your students. And of
Thanks
course,
God.
you have the health,
Thank you Lord.
the physical health,
got
and
this
the
finally.
mental health to be able to really
Tears of joy na
function
sir.
as a professional teacher. Now, there are other symbolisms there,
Tapos na ako
like the
nag-iyak-iyak.
book. Alright, that's knowledge. Continue reading. These are the
Worth it lahat. Yung sacrifice.
Yes.
And then, of course, the
Trials.
colors.
Grabe.
What's the color? Predominant
May
color
tulog.
surrounding
Sleepless night.
Blue is the color of nobility. Because we look at our profession as the noblest of all professions. Mayroon bang nagdi-disagree dyan?
Wala.
Right. We belong to the noble profession. We are called honorable. Kaya pag hindi na kayo dishonorable, tanggal lang yung lisensya. Alright, attorney or Mr. Earl will do that. Okay. Then of course there is color red. Red stands for passion, love for the profession. Okay. And green, alright, your love for the young learners. That's green.
We touch the
You have got to nurture them. And white, shall we say, is the presence of all the blue, the green, the reds. Because white stands for integrity, honesty. Napakinggan niyo yung kanta ng PRC hymn, responsibilidad, integridad ng professionalismo Pilipino. And you are a part of that now. Okay? So now is the moment for you to raise each other. And say to each other that
Thank you Lord. Mag-selfie sa ta sir ah. Sa kayo.
Dire?
Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Thank you. Oh my God. Hi guys. Muted muna dito kasi makapiright ako, sayang yung video, di ba? Yan, sobrang happy talaga.
Hello. Hello.
Ay, saba kayo ng voice over ko.
Hello po.
Maski hello. Yan guys, si Jan dito sa Lian.
Listen, Beshi.
Sige, ikaw talk. Ikaw mag voice over.
Hello.
Yan, sobrang happy si Mami Ling. Teacher na yung mami yan. Yan, sobrang happy. Umiyak yung kasama ko.
Hello guys.
Ako din, umiyak din ako, pero hindi ko na pinakita ba. Kasi yung mata ko parang lagi naman yung nakaiyak. Kulang sa tulog. Thank you, Lord!
We are Pafte.
We are Pafte.
Once more, congratulations and God bless everyone. everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can now sit.
Thank you. Again, Philippine Association for Teachers and Educators. Thank you.
Kanina. Okay, di ay.
All of you join us. Associate Professor Elizar Juan, Dr. Douglas Elizar,
Mapi daw.
all the other prepare. Ang iba dito sa labas. Yan. Iba dito sa taas. And
Ako'y Mapi daw.
first up is the presidents of table, Dr. Lucido, Dr. David, and Sabo, and our MC.
Pag-reels? Pang vlog na niya ako ha. Sa pahigda, vlog na siya. Ima live. Yay! Uwian na! Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Dami talaga guys. Dami talaga.
Our morning ceremony. I would like to request our new teachers to gracefully exit the venue, for we are to prepare. We are given an hour and a half to prepare for the second session. Thank you so much again. We are the professional teachers.
Ako na to karon na yun?
Region 9, Region 9 would like to thank everyone who sends out our warmest congratulations to one and all.
Yeah, uwian time. Buha tayo ron ha. Bukod lang, munta na daw ka. Di mo ko karon break. Hindi, mag-guro. Di ba Paano na mga taga-official? Official pa man, di ba? O gani.
Please refrain from crowding over the center aisle. Again, please refrain from crowding over the center aisle in order for everyone to be able to
Wala akong ka-picture. Uwi na ako guys.
clear out our venue at the soonest time
Daming tao.
for the staff to prepare for the next session. Daghang salamat.
Taas, maulong to do.
Dala, sa taas ta.
Pwede ba?
Panalagsaran eh.
Daming tao. Ayun, Dari. Mohol-mohol. May second batch na naman. Daming tao. Sige, one, two, three. Masakit na yung paa ko, guys. Sakit na yung paa ko.
Yung berti na mo. Tuluga dito yung.
Bago naman kalimata. Pag sugod doon.
Sakit na yung paa ko. Sa naman to kong driver. Yan guys. Kailangan ko nang magpahinga. Yung paa ko. Wala akong ka-picture-picture.